Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to join the Maincard Testnet on Telegram and position yourself for a potential airdrop. So the first thing you want to do is to create a Ton wallet. There are several Ton wallets available, but in this video I'll be using the Tonhub wallet. So you will want to get Test Ton, and I'll be showing you how to do that. So first thing, install the Tonhub wallet using the link in the description. This is my Tonhub wallet. You can create a new wallet or import a wallet. In this case, I'll be creating a new wallet, so I tap on create a new wallet, accept the terms and conditions, back up my private key, create a PIN code, and now I'm in my Ton wallet. The next thing to do is to enable the testnet on the Ton wallet. To enable testnet on your Tonhub wallet, go to your settings and scroll down till you find the Tonhub version. I'm using the Tonhub wallet. You may be using another Ton wallet, but the process will still be the same. So remember how we enable developer options on our Android phone? That's the same way we'll enable testnet on the Tonhub wallet. So to enable the testnet on the Tonhub wallet, tap on the about 8 times consecutively. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you will see the option to change your network from mainnet to testnet. So tap on mainnet drop down and tap on switch to testnet. After switching to testnet, go back and go to home, and now you can see I'm on the testnet. The next thing to do is to copy your wallet address. To copy your wallet address, tap on your wallet address here, and your wallet address is copied. If you're using my Ton wallet, you can also activate the testnet by going to your settings and tapping on the about here 8 times consecutively. If you're using the Keeper wallet, you can activate the testnet by tapping on your settings, scroll down and tap on the about 8 times consecutively. So remember, depending on the wallet you're using, if you switch from mainnet to testnet, you may have to import your wallet again. So make sure you've saved your seed phrase before switching between mainnet and testnet. To get the testnet Ton, you'll be using the Telegram bot faucet. You'll find the link in the description. Open the link and it will take you to the test giver Ton bot. Tap on start and tap on get 5 Ton in testnet. It will bring out a captcha. Download the capture image. Once the capture image is downloaded, tap on the capture image to view it in full screen, because not all the characters will be visible except you open it in full screen. Enter the characters you see. It's not case sensitive. And the next thing is to paste the address you just copied. So I paste the address and it sends Ton to my wallet. You can request for testnet Ton once every hour. If you're returning to the bot, to get your test Ton, tap on the menu and tap on get Ton in testnet. I have received the test Ton, as you can see. So now I can participate in the Maincard testnet. Now that you've gotten your testnet Ton, you will need to sign up on Maincard. You'll find the link in the description. If you open the link, it will take you to a Telegram bot. Tap on start and sign up using your email address. Once you've signed up on Maincard, the next thing to do is to connect your wallet. So tap on the plus icon here to connect your wallet, and it will bring up a list of the Ton wallets that you can use to connect. Do not open the Maincard app in your browser. Make sure you're opening the Maincard app via the Telegram bot. Otherwise, if you're connecting your wallet, it will be connecting to a mainnet EVM wallet, which we cannot use for the testnet. So make sure you're opening the Maincard from the Telegram bot. That way you'll be able to connect to your Ton wallet that is already switched to testnet. So in this case, I'll be using my Tonhub. So tap on Tonhub, tap on connect, enter your PIN code, and now we are connected. Go back to the bot and you can see my wallet is connected. So you can see my Ton balance and testnet. On Maincard, you can buy cards and use those cards to predict the outcome of several sporting events like football, esports, and the like. So the next thing to do is to buy your cards. To buy cards, tap on marketplace and you will see several cards. These cards all have different prices. Let me buy this for 30 Ton. Tap on buy. It will take you to your Tonhub wallet. Here you would see transaction requested. So tap on it and tap on confirm. Enter your code and you can see the transaction is processing. Transaction has been confirmed. So let's go back to the bot. So I've purchased the cards. To see your cards, tap on cards. So here you would see your cards. This one has been used to predict an event, so you see on events. So these other cards are available for me to use. To buy cards, tap on the buy card button and it will take you to the marketplace. To use the cards, tap on sports and you will see several events. You can choose any of the events you want to predict on. If you want to predict on football, you can tap on football, or you can select all events to see all the available events. You see the available events. To predict on any event, tap on the card and there are three options. If I want to predict for alternate attacks to win, I'll add my card here. If I want to predict a draw, I'll add my card here. And if I want to predict a win for the away side, I'll add my card here. Let me predict alternate attacks to win. So I tap on this card and choose any of my cards. The higher the value of the card, the higher the rewards you will get if your prediction is correct. Let me choose this card, tap on it, tap on confirm, and now my card has been added. You can add multiple cards to increase your rewards. So in this case, if my prediction is correct, I'll win 15 MCN. If you want to add another card, tap on the plus icon here to add a new card. Let me add this card, tap on this, tap on confirm, and now I have added two cards. So it's just like I'm topping up my stake. So these two cards have the same value, so if I win, I'll get 30 MCN. To complete the prediction, tap on votes and wait for the transaction request in your wallet. Tap on the transaction request card, tap on confirm, enter your PIN code and wait for the transaction to complete. So now the transaction is complete and you can see my voting was successful. So that's it. You claim your test turn, you buy cards, you use the cards to predict on events, and you repeat the process as many times as possible. Remember, you can claim your test turn every hour, so in a day you can claim up to 24 times. To see the games you've predicted on, tap on my events and you can see all your past predictions here, and you can see all the cards you've added. So that's it about the Maincard Testnet. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Maincard Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas and earning opportunities. So keep claiming your testnet turn, buying cards on Maincard and using those cards to predict events on the app. Stay safe and I will see you in the next video.